To create QuickBooks, you need to start by downloading the software from the official Intuit website or purchasing it from a retail store. Once you have the software, insert the installation disk into your computer or run the downloaded file and follow the prompts to install QuickBooks. After installation, launch QuickBooks and choose the type of company file you want to create, such as a new company or a sample company. If you choose to create a new company, you will be prompted to enter some basic information about your business, including the company name, address, and industry. Next, you will need to set up your company file by choosing the correct accounting method, such as cash or accrual, and setting the start date for your accounting period. You will also need to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts you will use to track your income and expenses. To set up your chart of accounts, you can choose from a list of predefined accounts or create your own custom accounts. It is a good idea to start with the predefined accounts and then customize them as needed. You should also set up your payment terms, such as Net 30 or Net 60, and choose the correct sales tax settings for your business. Once you have set up your company file and chart of accounts, you can start adding customers, vendors, and employees to QuickBooks. You can also set up your inventory and pricing information, and create invoices and other financial documents. To get the most out of QuickBooks, it is a good idea to set up a regular backup schedule to ensure that your data is safe in case something happens to your computer. You should also take the time to learn about the different features and functions of QuickBooks, such as budgeting and forecasting, and use them to help you manage your business. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a QuickBooks company file that will help you track your income and expenses, manage your finances, and make informed business decisions. It is also a good idea to consult with an accountant or bookkeeper to ensure that your QuickBooks file is set up correctly and that you are using it to its full potential.